Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Pooja Mundhra and you are watching me on Femina India. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Twist hair into a bun. Secure with a band. Tie bun with a pretty scarf. Center part your hair into two sections. Tie loose plaits and secure with bands. Tie a bandana around your head. Begin braiding a section of your hair from the crown. Pull it into a French style braid. Secure with a band. Repeat on the other side. Pull both sections into a low ponytail. Tie with a scrunchie. Pull hair into a neat top knot. Twist and secure with a band. Tie with a scarf. Pull hair into a low ponytail. Wrap head with a bandana. Release hair. Tie hair in a low ponytail. If you don't have the scrunchie, secure hair with a plain black band and use a scarf. Tie the scarf along with a simple plait.